this is the next project, Commodore. It's just been dropped off. I didn't even have to go and pick it up. And we are going to put a turbo on this bad boy. It's actually not too bad, it's pretty clean. Oh, the roof liner's a bit saggy, but you know, that's why I've got it and I can fix all this sort of stuff. What is that? A bit of dog hair or something? But this is it. Not too bad. It's actually even got a little exhaust on it. Pretty cool. Now let's have a look at the problems. Let's have a look at the water pump. Show us the water pump. Can you just give it a rock? So, we're going to have to replace the water pump. We've got a brand newie. It got supplied with the car. This is the brand new one. That's not shagged out like that one. But that's next level. Look at that.
It's bad.
That is very bad.
That is not good.
Listen to it. I don't think that'll be pumping much. Anyway, we'll rip it off, get a new one on there. Look at that. Can you see that? Look at that, the pump. Look in there. It has its worn groove right in there.
Say, mate, now's the time.
I don't know.
Got a whizzer, mate. I'm going to use the whizzer.
Whizzer.
Never to be ever sealed ever again. Whenever you look at this, you see the T27 flange. It's actually 27 flanges around in a T position. Unreal.
I don't think the compressor's plugged in.
Whiz.
Cute.
Can we get it down here?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Bit of gasket glue on there and then we'll go and put it on the actual car. And we'll get this job done and out of the way. And then we'll move on to more important stuff like actually putting the turbo on the car. Test out the mag.
Yeah, go for it.
That with a turbo is going to be absolutely amazing. Go. Jesus. Hang on, now, yes. Hold your foot on the brake. Yep. Caster rods.
Yeah.
Pusher there's non-existent.
I know a good underbody mechanic.
How good's the weather? Picked up some extractors for the turbo project. And these are what we're going to be chopping up and turning into manifolds. Obviously we're not going to be doing that today. I'm waiting on some metal to arrive in the mail. Then we will be making the manifolds. Hopefully it'll be in this video. But we're going to have to wait for some better weather before we do any more on the car. Another afternoon of wet weather. I don't think we'll be doing anything on this today. Again, that's 2 days in a row now. Oh well, I'll check back in tomorrow and hopefully it's not this sort of weather. So we can do some stuff on the car. Because of the situation in the back there, the rain, there's no way I'm going to put these out in that weather. I am just going to have myself a nice cold beverage and just relax for the rest of the day, and hopefully tomorrow the rain will be gone and I'll check back in with you then. In the mail. This is for another video, you will see what that is for, but we got our 2.5 inch mild steel piping, and we're just waiting on our 2 mandrel bends to come, and then we can turn those into 490s. And so we've got 2 1 meter lengths of this, and we have our extractors, which are going to be pretty much cut here, and that's going to be welded into this, and then this will have a bend coming up onto our flange where our turbo will sit. The turbo's been ordered, all the lines have been ordered, still waiting for those to come. Hopefully they do come this week. It is now Thursday, so let's hope that they come by tomorrow so we can actually do some work on this on the weekend. If not, we'll be waiting another week, and this video will probably come out just so you can see what's going to happen. But hopefully tomorrow is a better day and all the stuff arrives, because without the bends I can't even start making the manifold. And I really want to start making the manifold. I've still got to rip all the old exhaust off and then mock this up in the engine bay and turn it into what I want it to be, which will happen hopefully soon. Beautiful day today, and no parts rocked up in the mail, so we can't actually do any more work on that. I'm absolutely spewing, guys, but I can't do anything about it because I'm not the mailman. We're gonna have to wait until next week until we can actually start doing this. Pretty much this is gonna be an introduction video on what is gonna happen. So we've got our extractors here, which are gonna be chopped and turned into the exhaust manifold. We have a bit of piping here, which will be our crossover, plus our exhaust manifold as well. The only thing that did come in the mail was a couple of V-bands, and I can't do anything. I can't chop, can't pull stuff off the car because I've got to move it. And if I take off the old exhaust, imagine starting that, taking the old exhaust off with no exhaust, driving it into the shed. It'd be that loud. It'd be just annoying. So I'm just going to leave it on until I've got everything, and then I can pull it into the shed, and then I can just make the whole lot done. So in the next episode, next week, when the parts actually get here, it will definitely happen. Definitely happen. So keep an eye out for the next video, and until then, very sorry that we didn't get much done, but at least you know that it's definitely going to happen. Until then, I'll catch you on the next one.